Hey there friends, welcome back to another exciting tutorial video. Today I'll be guiding you through the process of creating a new document in Microsoft Office so you can unleash your creativity and productivity with ease. Now, depending on which Office application you want to use, the process might vary slightly, but fear not, I've got you covered for each one. For Microsoft Word, let's open Microsoft Word. Simply look for the blank document option, usually located under the New tab. Click on it, and then you have a fresh canvas ready for your words to come to life. Next is if you're more into numbers and data analysis, and you want to create a new spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel, let's open Microsoft Excel. Locate the blank workbook option, usually found in the New or File tab. A brand new worksheet is now at your disposal, ready for those complex calculations or organized data entries. And for all you presentation gurus out there, let's open PowerPoint. Launching Microsoft PowerPoint will bring you to the New tab where you can click on Blank Presentation. This action summons a pristine slide deck just waiting to be filled with captivating visuals and compelling content. So with your new document before you, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's writing a captivating story, crunching numbers for a financial report, or designing a captivating presentation, Microsoft Office has got your back. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in jumpstarting your creative endeavors. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a new document in Microsoft Office. Until then, happy creating and see you on my next video.